Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Aslam Zuhair bin Muhammad Qasim, matrix number 01 DKM 20F 2032 from DKM 1A. Today, I will present trigonometry in carpentry with my three other friends, Amir, Haziq, and Najwan. First, I will introducing about trigonometry. Trigonometry, as the name might suggest, is all about triangles. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies triangles and relationship between their sides and angle between these sides. Trigonometry is all about right-angled triangles where one of the internal angles is 90 degrees. The word trigonometry is derived from Greek word tri meaning three, gon meaning sides, and metron meaning measure. This is the formula for sine, cosine, tangent, sec, cosec, and chord.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Hazif Fahmi bin Abdulghani, matrix 01 DKM 20F 2021. I will be explaining about real-life application of trigonometry. Trigonometry is used in many other carpentry applications, including site layout tasks that require making angular measurement. These tasks might include laying out building foundation lines and determining elevation by trigonometric leveling. In laying out a foundation, diagonal measurements are a must-have. For example, trigonometry is used to roof a house. To make sure roof incline and to measure height of a building, the distance of a building from the viewpoint and the elevation angle can easily determine the height of a building using trigonometric functions. That's all from me. Thank you.
Three prototypes from our group are inspired by wooden stairs from traditional old village house and modern house. As you can see from picture below, these are the example for our model. So this is our prototype. The material that we use is used board, A4 paper, cutter, scissors, sellotape, and glue. In this slide, we show how to make our stairs prototype. Step 1. Cut the used mark according to the stair pattern we choose and write it using A4 paper to make our prototype more beautiful. Step 2. Combine all parts using sellotape and glue. Step 3. Cut out a bit of part 1 and stitch part 1 and parts 2 together.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Amir Izzuddin bin Rosli. My metric number is 01 DKM 20F 2026. Today I'm going to show you the formula trigonometry and how to calculate. This is the formula of trigonometry. The first formula is sin equal to opposite per hypotenuse, or we call SOH. And second formula is cos equal to adjacent per hypotenuse, or we call CHA. And the third formula is tan equal to opposite per adjacent, or we call TOA. This diagram shows where the position of opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse in triangle. This diagram also like similar with our prototype. Is the hypotenuse, adjacent, and opposite. This is our prototype. From the diagram, The question is, we must find the theta and hypotenuse. From the diagram, show that the adjacent is 22 cm and the opposite is 28 cm. And first, we must find the hypotenuse. The formula of hypotenuse is square root opposite power of 2 plus adjacent power of 2. By using the formula, we can get square root 22 power of 2 plus 28 power of 2. Next, square root 484 and plus 784. Next, square root, we get 1268. And the final answer is 35.8 35.609 cm. That is the hypotenuse. The second question, we must find the theta. We must use the formula of trigonometry, and I will choose formula tan equal to opposite per adjacent. That is the calculation. Tan theta equal to 28 per 22. We must move the tan across and become tan power of negative 1. Theta equal to tan power of negative 1 per 28 per 22, and the final answer is 51.842.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nazwa Aziz bin Nazri. My matrix number is 01DKM20F2034. So in conclusion, carpentry has almost everything to do with trigonometry. Carpentry calls for trigonometry more than you might think. There's literally nothing you can build without using trigonometry, whether it's for measuring a board or finding an angle between two surfaces. Trigonometry is used in many other carpentry applications, including site layout tasks that require using angular measurements. These tasks might include laying out building foundation lines and determining elevation by completing trigonometric leveling.